العالم كله.
Now, this is going to go to the very last part of our discussion.
خلينا ننتقل بقى لجزء كده فن شوية في المناقشة بتاعتنا النهارده.
Because at the very beginning, I said we humans, we have three problems. We have ego, we get tired, and then we die. Right.
زي ما ذكر في الأول إحنا كبشر عندنا 3 مشاكل، عندنا كبرياء عالي، عندنا بنتعب وبنموت.
And that is one problem that Mr. Mahfouz also suffered from. He was also mortal, and one day he had to die as well.
ودي الحاجة اللي واجهها كاتبنا الكبير نجيب محفوظ إن جه وقت وتوفى.
And the problem with dying is that you can no longer write poetry about the things that happen after you die.
والمشكلة بعد ما الإنسان بيتوفى أعماله بتتوقف.
But now this is the best part, because I claim with technology, Mr. Mahfouz can continue to write poetry for us.
وهنا دكتور شيء دخل على الذكاء الاصطناعي وخلاه يكتب شعر بأسلوب